Imagine this for a second. It's 6 a.m. You reach over to turn off your alarm and glance at your phone. Bam, $500 in your account while you were still dreaming. You didn't hustle. You didn't grind through the night. Heck, you didn't even work hard the day before. Because while everyone else was burning the midnight oil, you had something else working for you. Artificial intelligence. That's right. AI was quietly making money for you while you slept. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a pipe dream, right? Well, it's not, because I was in your shoes just a few months ago. I was just another person trying to figure out how to make money online, watching everyone else talk about AI, but not knowing where to start. And today I'm going to show you the exact same system that's turning regular people into AI-powered millionaires. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes because I'm going to break it all down for you. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start making real money with AI. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've been trying to crack this code for years. Let me take you back a few months. I was fed up, sick of working long hours for little pay. I'd scroll through my feeds, seeing all these so-called gurus talking about how AI was making them thousands of dollars a day. They'd say stuff like, AI is the future, but all I could think was, how? Where was my share of this AI revolution? One day I stumbled across something that changed everything. It was called AI Millionaire. Now, at first I was skeptical. I mean, I'd seen a lot of scams, a lot of overhyped programs, so I almost passed it by. But something about it caught my eye. It wasn't just hype. It had real strategies, real results, and testimonials from people just like you and me. I decided to give it a shot. I thought, what do I have to lose? And that's when my entire mindset and my bank account started to change. Within just a few weeks of using AI Millionaire, I went from struggling to make ends meet to pulling in consistent income, all because I let AI do the heavy lifting. So what is AI Millionaire exactly? AI Millionaire is a done-for-you system that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to automate the most time-consuming parts of running an online business. It's like having an entire team of experts working for you 24/7, except you don't have to pay them a salary and they never get tired. Here's how it works. First, the system walks you through setting up your AI tools. Don't worry, it's super simple. Even if you've never touched an AI program in your life, the step-by-step instructions make it foolproof. Then these AI tools do the hard part for you. They find customers, run ads, follow up with emails, and even close sales on autopilot. You're literally letting technology do all the grunt work while you collect the profits. And get this, AI Millionaire isn't just a theory. It's been tested by hundreds of people already, and the results speak for themselves. People who have never made a dime online are pulling in four-figure days because of this system. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've seen systems like this before. Why is this one any different? Let me tell you exactly why. You see, most make-money online systems out there are either super complicated, insanely expensive, or they just flat out don't work. They promise the moon and stars, but when you get inside, it's a bunch of tech mumbo-jumbo that no one can figure out. AI Millionaire, it's different. This system was designed with beginners in mind. You don't need years of marketing experience. You don't need a huge budget, and you certainly don't need to be a tech genius. AI Millionaire cuts out the fluff and gives you a straightforward, actionable plan that works, without the nonsense. Here's the real kicker. The AI tools in this system are cutting edge. We're talking about technology that's evolving so fast. People who jump on board now are going to be the ones raking in the big bucks. You're not just getting another system, you're getting the future of online marketing right now. So where does that leave you? Well, you've got two options. You can sit there and keep trying the same old methods that have been failing you over and over again, or you can make a smart move, jump on this opportunity, and start letting AI work for you. Think about it. The people who are getting ahead right now aren't working harder. They're working smarter. They're using AI to automate the hard stuff so they can focus on what really matters. Growing their income. And with AI Millionaire, you can do the same. No more guessing. No more wasting hours on strategies that don't work. Just plug in the system, let the AI do its thing, and watch as your bank account grows. If you're ready to finally start making real money online, And not just chump change, but serious, life-changing income. Click the link below and get started with AI Millionaire today. And here's the best part. When you sign up through my link, I'm going to throw in some exclusive bonuses that you won't get anywhere else. These are designed to help you accelerate your success even faster. But listen, opportunities like this don't wait around. AI is moving fast, and the people who jump in now are going to be the ones making money a year from now. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below. Get started with AI Millionaire, and I'll see you on the inside.